Alright, this is a tutorial for students and staff of how to turn off email notifications from Google Classroom. Just a reminder that it is your responsibility to be checking Google Classroom during online schooling. It is not acceptable to say that I did not know that we had homework. It is your responsibility to be checking this. That being said, I don't want you receiving 30 emails every single time I post something and your English teacher posts something. And as staff members, we also don't want to be receiving an email notification every single time someone submits an assignment. So in order to turn off these notifications, you can go to your home screen that displays all of your classes. Click on the menu tab right here. Scroll all the way to the bottom and go to Settings. And then you'll be on Notifications. Again, you can scroll down to the bottom and click on Class Notifications, the drop down arrow here, and you can turn on or turn off your notifications as follows. So for students, this will mean that if you do not have 5th hour life science notifications turned on, you will not receive emails from me every single time I post something. For staff members, for any of these classes that you're a part of, it means that you won't receive notifications as well.